This is Morganite Vault, where insight shines. There's something peaceful about slowing down and taking care of your plants. Today, I'm repotting my Cherry Cheesecake Azalea and giving it a fresh start for the season. I wanted to create a healthy space for it to continue to grow beautifully. For this repotting project, I'm using an organic raised bed and container mix along with a little perlite to help with drainage and airflow. Once the soil was mixed, I started building the base layer inside the planter before checking the fit of the nursery pot. Ooh, got a lot more to go. Before placing the azalea into its new home, I carefully removed the original container and worked quickly to transfer everything over while keeping the root system and soil as intact as possible. After centering the plants, I filled in remaining spaces with remaining soil and also fresh soil and lightly shaped everything into place. I'll be waiting about 2 weeks before adding the holly tone fertilizer to give the plant time to settle down in its new environment first. Once everything was finished, I gave the azalea a deep watering to help the roots and soil fully settle together. The next morning, I moved the planter into what I think is a perfect location, a spot with morning sun and softer afternoon shade. To help keep the soil evenly moist, I also added a watering bulb so the plant can stay hydrated a little longer between watering. I really love how this space came together, and I'm excited to continue building out Morganite Vault Garden one plant at a time. There's something rewarding about creating peaceful spaces that continue to grow and evolve with time.